we're asked to simplify this very complex fraction. So I'm going to start at the very bottom and work my way up towards the left. So the first thing I'm going to do then is try to subtract these two fractions, 1 minus 1 over a. So to do that, I need a common denominator. So this will become a over a, which is the same as 1. So this gives me 1 minus 1 over, this 1 is right here, 1 minus 1 over, and then now to subtract a over a minus 1 over a, I'm going to get a minus 1 over a. And if you look at this part right here, I have 1 divided by this fraction. So if I flip and multiply, which brings this up, then I have 1 minus 1 over 1 minus, now again, right here, this is what I'm looking at. This I'll flip and multiply to get a over a minus 1. Now I'll do the whole thing again. I'm going to work on this problem right here. So 1 minus a over a minus 1 needs a common denominator. So this will become a minus 1 over a minus 1. So I'll go ahead and bring this up, and you'll see that the a's will cancel, leaving me with just negative 1. So rewriting the problem, it's a very good habit to rewrite the problem each time. I'll come down here, I have 1 minus 1 over, this all gave me my negative 1 over a minus 1. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this negative 1 and cancel it here. That way I don't have to worry about it. Now, just like in this last problem, this is 1 being divided by this fraction. So if I flip and multiply, then this becomes its reciprocal, giving me my 1 that was written here plus, and then this will become a minus 1 over 1, which is really just a minus 1. So I don't really need this. So let me rewrite it one more time as 1 plus a minus 1. Well, the 1's cancel, leaving me with just a. So all of this became a.